Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove your Miata rear bumper using an easy method. First, ensure you have all necessary tools ready, including a ratchet set and a trim removal tool. Safely lift the rear of your car and support it with jack stands. Removing the rear wheels will provide much better access to the fasteners you need to reach. This preparation makes the entire process smoother and quicker. Next, locate and unscrew all the bolts holding the bumper in place. These are usually 10mm or 12mm. Use your trim removal tool to carefully pop out the plastic clips and push pins found in the fender liners and along the bumper's bottom edge. Don't forget to disconnect any electrical connectors for your license plate lights or parking sensors before proceeding. Take your time with each fastener. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. Quick recommendation: if you're looking for a great way to read all those car manuals or just relax with a good book, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere. You can find the link for it and other awesome deals in the description. Now let's get back to the video. Once all fasteners are detached, you can gently pull the bumper away from the car. It should come off with minimal resistance. Be sure to have a soft blanket or a clean surface ready to set the bumper down on to prevent any scratches or damage. Double-check all mounting points to ensure no hidden clips or wires are still connected. This careful approach protects your paint and the bumper itself.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.